What if I told you that you are measuring retirement completely wrong? Most people think retirement is an age, 65, 67, or whenever the government says you're allowed to stop. But they're wrong. Retirement isn't an age, it's a number. Imagine waking up tomorrow knowing that every single one of your bills, your housing, your food, your travel is already paid for by your assets. Not by your boss, not by a paycheck, but by your money working harder than you ever could. Today, I'm going to reveal the 25x rule. This is the one number that tells you exactly when you are done. We're going to dive into the math that proves why you might be closer to freedom than you think, why the salary trap is keeping you stuck, and the exact moment your contributions officially stop mattering. Welcome to Miles to Millions. Let's get you to your number. Most of us were raised on a lie. Work hard, get a good salary, and eventually, you'll be rich. But there is a reason your 9-to-5 salary isn't making you wealthy. It's called the salary trap. The system is designed to keep you trading time for money, but time is a finite resource. You only have so many hours in a day. Rich retirees don't buy the same assets that poor people do. While most people focus on increasing their lifestyle as their salary grows, buying a bigger house or a flashier car, those who actually reach freedom focus on one thing: the crossover point. This is the exact moment when your investment returns begin to cover your living expenses. But to find that point, you need a target, and that target is the 25x rule. So, what is the 25x rule? It's based on the 4% safe withdrawal rate. This isn't just a random guess, it's a mathematical formula used to ensure you never run out of money in retirement. Here is how you calculate it. First, determine your annual expenses. Not your salary, your expenses. What does it actually cost for you to live the life you want? Second, multiply that number by 25. If you need $40,000 a year to live comfortably, your number is $1 million. If you can live happily on $60,000, your number is $1.5 million. This is the exit number. Once you hit this, you are mathematically done. You can withdraw 4% of that total every year, adjusted for inflation, and history shows your portfolio will likely last forever. But here is the problem. 95% of people will never reach this point. Why? Because they are measuring retirement wrong. They focus on the wrong numbers. They focus on their gross income or their home equity. But house rich and cash poor is a dangerous place to be. If your net worth is tied up in the roof over your head, it isn't paying your grocery bill. We also need to talk about the die with zero mindset. Many people spend their entire lives saving for a life they will never live. They hit their 25x number, and then they keep working out of fear. They accumulate 40x or 50x, only to realize they've traded their best years for money they can no longer spend. Don't let your freedom number become a prison. The 25x rule is your permission slip to reclaim your life energy. There are two exact moments your money starts working harder than you do. The first is Coast FI. This is a milestone that almost no one talks about. Coast FI is the point where you have enough in your retirement accounts that even if you never invested another penny, your portfolio would still grow to your full 25 times number by the time you reach traditional retirement age, thanks to the power of compounding. Imagine hitting that at 35. You still have to pay your bills today, but the pressure to save for the future is gone. You could take a lower paying job you actually love because your retirement is already coasting to the finish line. The second moment is the crossover point. This is the holy grail. This is when your portfolio's growth, not the total value, but just the annual gain, is more than you contribute from your job. This is the moment your contributions don't matter anymore. The momentum of your wealth is now a force of nature. I know what some of you are thinking. Miles, I'm at zero. How do I get to $1 million or $2 million? It starts with the 50-30-20 budget plan. It's a simple guide. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for your future. But if you want to reach your 25 times number in 10 years instead of 40, you have to flip those numbers. You must avoid the 8 assets that rich retirees never buy. Stop buying liabilities that look like assets. Instead, follow the 7 major money milestones in your 20s and 30s. Stop using your debit card. It offers you nothing. Start understanding the hidden math of things like renting versus buying. And most importantly, find the lowest amount you need to let compounding work its magic. Even starting from $0 in 2026, the path is the same. Curiosity meets clarity. You don't need to be a genius, you just need to be disciplined. There's a psychology to this. In his book, The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel explains that doing well with money isn't necessarily about what you know, it's about how you behave. This is why stealth wealth is a superpower. Looking poor can actually make you rich. When you don't feel the need to signal your status to others, you keep more of your money. You reach your 25x number faster because your lifestyle cost stays low. Remember Ronald Read, the janitor who saved $8 million? He didn't have a high salary. He had a high savings rate and a deep understanding of the 25x rule before it even had a name. He lived better with less by following minimalist rules. So, here is your homework for today. Don't just watch this video and move on. Calculate your number. Look at your expenses from the last 12 months, multiply that by 25, and write that number down. That is your target. That is the moment you become a free human being. If you're feeling behind, remember, most people are. The average retirement savings stats for 2026 are shocking, but you aren't average. You're here and you're learning. I'm Miles, and this is Miles to Millions. Your journey to the 25x number starts today. See you in the next one.